If your CapCut video has annoying background noise, echo, wind, traffic, or just that muddy sound that makes your voice hard to hear, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to manage background noise in CapCut step by step, so you can make your audio sound cleaner and more professional. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and click on the clip you want to fix. This is important because the clip needs to be selected before you can change its audio settings. You'll know it's selected when it gets highlighted with a white border in the timeline. Now go to the Audio tab in the top right inspector panel. Once you're there, make sure you're in the Basic section because that's where CapCut keeps the main audio controls for your clip. Now scroll down until you find Noise Reduction or Reduce Noise, depending on the version you're using. This is the setting that helps clean up unwanted background sound. Turn the switch on and CapCut will start processing the audio to reduce distractions like hiss, fan noise, or light background chatter. Now here's something important to know. On the desktop version of CapCut, this Reduce Noise option is usually part of CapCut Pro. You may see a Pro label next to it. That means you might be able to preview the effect, but exporting the final video may require a subscription. So if you're planning to use this feature regularly, it's worth checking whether your version of CapCut includes it in Pro. After enabling it, listen carefully to your audio. If the noise is mild, this may be all you need. But if the background sound is really strong, like wind, traffic, or a noisy room, you may want to use a more aggressive option. That's where Enhanced Voice comes in. Still in the Audio tab, look for Enhanced Voice. This feature uses stronger AI processing to isolate the voice and reduce everything else around it. It can be very effective when you need to rescue a recording that has a lot of unwanted noise. You'll usually see an intensity slider from 0 to 100, and you can adjust it based on how clean you want the final result to sound. A lower setting keeps the voice more natural, while a higher setting removes more background noise. Just be careful not to push it too far, because if you overdo it, the voice can start to sound a little robotic or unnatural. The goal is to find a sweet spot where your speech is clear, but still sounds like you. If your audio only has a little bit of noise, start with Reduce Noise first. If that doesn't give you the result you want, then try Enhanced Voice as a stronger fix. For difficult recordings, this can make a huge difference and save you from having to re-record everything. And one quick tip, after applying either effect, always play back the clip from start to finish. Don't just judge it by 1 second of audio. Sometimes the voice sounds fine in one section, but gets distorted in another, so it's always worth listening carefully before you export. Also remember that both the standard noise reduction and the advanced voice enhancement features may be locked behind CapCut Pro on desktop, so if you don't see the option working fully, that's likely why. In that case, you can still use the preview to test the effect, but you may need a subscription to export with those changes applied. Once you're happy with the sound, save your project and continue editing as normal. That's really all it takes to manage background noise in CapCut and make your videos sound much more polished. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut editing tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.